Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to get equation toggle using keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your MS Word. I will show you on screen keyboard. Alt plus equal to. Now you can see here equation toggle has been shown here. Close this window. Then select from here which one you want. For example, this one. Then type here. That's it guys. So in this way you get equation toggle with using keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.